Okay, guys, we're gonna do an unboxing because I got everything that just. This is not like don't copyright. Okay, I'm gonna put on right here. Sorry if you can't hear me. We're gonna start with the small things first. Okay, just got this little lipstick. It's like a peel off. Okay, just open it. Ooh. Ooh. I think this is better. Hmm. Ooh. And you already know me, of course I'm gonna try it on. It feels very weird. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking so it doesn't get busy. I got a calculator. It says this is so cute. So yeah, I have a calculator. I can literally feel this drawing. I feel like just a little bit more. I think it's pretty. Okay, probably not. Oh my god. Okay, finally. I think I'm gonna take this off. Bro, I can't get it now. Brother, brother, okay. I just basically leave it like this. Okay, yeah, no. Brother. Um, this is actually like a really good lipstick. I got like a low sweater. I'm gonna show it to you. I'm gonna try it on. This is so cute. Like off the shoulder, like oh my god, that's so cute. Cute. That's literally like so cute. Hold on, I'm gonna go close my door. So how's y'all's day going? Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm back. Actually, like really cute. I might wear this for the whole video. Okay, next. I got this like little jacket. I forgot what it is. So yeah. Oh, I know what this is. It's like a little set that has "Let's Be Happy Together." Let's do this one. I thought that was cool. Sorry for the loud noises. Oh, this is so cute. It's not really comfortable. It's a little kitty. Kitty. Sorry. And then last bag. Let's make a grand opening. Okay. These are kind of like some leggings. Some black leggings. I dropped it. It's autumn leaves, pumpkin please. I feel like this might be like a little too short. And I promise you guys, I will try this all on once I know how to like clip stuff. Because right now, I'm just recording this. So yeah. Bye guys, thanks. Stay tuned.